G for garlic. G for garden. G for gate. G for gift. G for glass. G for glasses. G for globe. G for glove. G for glue. G for goat. G for gold. G for grapes. G for grass. G for guitar. G for gum. G for garage. G for garbage can. G for gas stove. G for gem. G for generator. G for ghost. G for ginger. G for girl. G for goose. G for grain. G for grandfather. G for grapefruit. G for green garden. G for grill. G for ground. G for gun. G for gym. G for garden hose. G for garden cart. G for greeting card. G for goldfish.